Hey everyone, welcome back to the Node.js series. In our last video, we printed hello world using Node. Today we are going to learn how to write and read file using Node.js built-in fs module. Let's get started. I'm creating a new file called filehandler.js. Then I'll take the module in the fs variable, require fs. Then I'll just call this module with the function name writeFileSync. So in this file I will just create a file name, that is nodes.txt, and the file name is this file was created by Node.js. So when I run the file, that is node space filehandler.js, I can see a txt file is created with the value the file was created by Node.js. So you can write by this module. If you want to read this data from the file, there's another function you can call. So let's write it. I'll name it const data and then the fs read. The function name is readFileSync. The function is reading from, and I'm console logging the value that is read from the file. So when I run it again, I can see the value from here, from the text file was there. And that's it. You just wrote to and read from a file using Node.js. Next up, we'll look at how to create a basic HTTP server using Node. No framework needed. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.